Hi, my name is Helga Torres. I'm being with STEP for Success program since 2016. That program changed my life. The first thing I did it was learn to speak English, and the other thing it was study CNA, nursing assistant, and that changed my life. And now, and I'm in front of my house. I'm a homeowner, so I'm very glad. I'm very excited, and I had a 7-year-old son, and I want to give something to him, to offer something to him, so he can be proud of me and he can follow my steps. I am not longer in government assistant program, so I can lead where I want to live, and I feel very excited for that.
Hi, my name is Gina Duncan. I'm a circle leader for Steps of Success. I'm a mother of 13 and 11-year-old daughters. I joined the program in 2018, and with the help of Steps for Success, I went from having a low-income paying job to now to a high-paying job to a company or with a company that I love. I'm currently in the process of becoming a homeowner because of the help of Steps of Success, and I'm very excited and very happy to be a part of this program and this journey.